Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to download apps on Shopify account. So first we're going to go to the Shopify app. You guys can find it in the App Store, Play Store. Then next we're going to click on settings. Then here we're going to scroll downwards until we find the apps option. You're going to click on it. Then we're going to click on the plus button on the top right corner. Then it's going to take us to the Shopify web store. Then you guys could browse through different apps. For example, if you wanted to download Shopify Collabs, you're going to click on it. Then here, after seeing its information, its pricing, everything about it, you guys are going to click on install. Then it's going to direct you back to the app. Then again, we're going to click on install. So as you can see, our app has been installed. Then you guys can continue using it. You guys could do the same process again and again. All you have to do is go there and install it. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.